Have you ever struggled creating content? Meet ChatGPT, your AI-powered assistant that can generate high-quality content in seconds. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how ChatGPT is transforming content creation, and I'll be sharing all the tips that you need to know, and I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT to create engaging content. First of all, what is ChatGPT and how does it work? ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. It uses deep learning to process and generate human-like text based on the user prompt. It has been trained on massive datasets, allowing it to understand context, respond intelligently, and assist in content creation. Now let's explore ChatGPT in action. Give me 10 trending content ideas for a tech YouTube channel focused on AI apps. So in this case, we have AI-powered productivity tools. Then we have AI in content creation. Then we also have AI-powered health and fitness apps. We also have AI in video and photo editing. We also have AI-powered language translation apps. Then we also have AI in financial management. We have AI-powered music and art generation. How can ChatGPT boost your marketing strategy? For instance, you're going to write a 100-word blog post on how to use AI for social media marketing with an introduction and key strategies and also a conclusion. Alright, so this is our introduction. But what I realized about the title is it's basic. It can be used, though you can add in some of your customized information. You can tweak it to the way you want it to be. Now, these are the key strategies of using AI in social media marketing. There is AI-powered content creation, and under the AI-powered content creation, we have where we can generate the captions and posts. We also have the writing the blog. Then we also have creating video scripts. Then we also have automating customer interactions with AI chatbots, where we'll have 24/7 visibility. We'll also have personalized conversations, whereby AI can analyze user data and deliver personalized responses. We also have the lead generation, whereby chatbots can collect user information and guide potential customers through the sales funnel. We also have AI-driven social media scheduling and management. We have the automated posting. We can schedule a post in advance to maintain a steady content flow. Also the optimal timing suggestions, which analyzes user activity to suggest the best time for posting. We have the cross-platform management, whereby we'll manage multiple social media accounts from a single dashboard. We also have the AI-powered social listening and sentiment analysis. In this case, we'll be able to monitor brand mentions and also identify trends. Number 5 on our list, we have AI for influencer marketing. Under the influencer marketing, we have the data-driven influencer selection. Then we also have the campaign maintenance. We have fraud detection. We have AI-powered image and video editing. In this, we have the automated video editing. In this case, AI can generate video clips from text or images. We also have the smart image enhancement. AI improves image quality and suggests design adjustments. Then we also have the template customization. Then we also have the AI optimized ad targeting. Under it, we have predictive analysis. We have the automated A/B testing. We also have the AI for analysis and performance tracking. This is used in real-time performance tracking and trend analysis, custom reports. ChatGPT is a real game changer for the content creators. Let me show you how. Yes, we planned for content, now it's time to put in practice. Write a YouTube script for a video titled 5 AI tools every content creator should use. And in this video, it should have an introduction, it should have a breakdown of tools and a call to action. In this case, what I usually do if I want to generate scripts from using ChatGPT, what I do, I break down my key points. I put in my values and how I want the script to look like. Wow, so this is our title. Obviously, we can also use the same ChatGPT to give us better titles. Yes, this title is good. 5 AI tools every content creator should use, but we need a classic title so that we can apply it in our video. So this is the opening shot, right? Then the host. This is what the host has to say, and still this intro is not bad. It's basic, it can work, but again you can customize it in a way that it really hooks. You can still use ChatGPT, paste in this exact prompt and ask ChatGPT to make the intro much more fun. If you are doing something emotional, you make sure that you ask ChatGPT to make it more emotional. Right, we have ChatGPT AI writing assistant. For instance, the statement, just type in a prompt and ChatGPT delivers high quality text in seconds. That alone is a hook. In this section we have AI video and audio editor. Now this is the Descript. Now this is used to generate catchy thumbnails, banners, or social media posts. We also have Runway ML. This is used for video editing and effects. So this is the description, which is okay. Then we have the copy.ai. It helps generate ad copy, scripts and SEO-friendly blog content. Then let's look at the call to action. You can use it still, but again you can customize it in the way you want it to be. We're going to create the Instagram posts. So I'll be like, create 5 Instagram captions for a post about using AI for content creation. Wow, these are cool captions. Alright, let's look at the pillars of an email. It should have a subject, which is right here. It should have a body, which is right here. The future of content. ChatGPT is constantly evolving, making content creation faster and more efficient. So what's next? AI integrations with tools like Canva, Grammarly, and automation software for even smarter content production. Try ChatGPT for content creation and marketing needs. And yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.